Today we'll be unboxing the Void Wireless V2 gaming headset. Now this headset is compatible with PC, Mac, mobile, PlayStation, and even a Nintendo Switch. And it also has up to 2.4 gigahertz of wireless Bluetooth connectivity, 65 hours of battery life, as well as Dolby Atmos spatial audio. And alongside this unboxing, I'll be showing you guys how to set this thing up with your Nintendo Switch. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Let's gotta pull this tab and see how easy it is to get out. There we go, there we go, there we go. Huzzah! Nice. Let's go ahead and pop that up. Get this bad boy out. Of course, we have the cable that comes with it. We love our cables. Nice. And this is the dongle, I'm assuming, so we can have some said wireless connectivity with the PC. And we have the dongle. Is there anything else in here? I do see the good old safety manual. Let's put these things to the side. The prise de resistance. Did I say that correctly? Of course, the packaging is always nice with a cloth cover, and voila, the black and white dual tone headset, man, so sleek. So on this headset, you have the adjustable mic. You can go ahead and bend it or cant it whatever which way you want. We have the power button, we have the volume knob right here, and of course the section where you can put your USB-C cord in. So let's go ahead and set this bad boy up and hook it up to our Nintendo Switch. Now this video is indeed sponsored by Corsair, so if you guys want to go ahead and get your hands on this headset, make sure you guys go ahead and use the link down in the description, as well as use code Trevoir at checkout. And speaking about discounts, Corsair is having a week-long sale starting today, April 27th, across multiple products. If you guys want to go ahead and get your hands on the Vanguard 96 keyboard, the Scimitar Elite mouse, the HS80 Max headset, as well as the K100 RGB keyboard, this is your time to go ahead and take advantage of these discounts and get your hands on them. Make sure you guys go ahead and use the link down in the description. Now back to the video. Now to connect this headset to your Nintendo Switch, all you gotta do is press this button right here. Once you've done so, you'll see the LED light to the bottom blink red and blue. And once it's done blinking red and blue, you just head over to your Nintendo Switch, open up your system settings, scroll down to the Bluetooth and audio section. And once you're there, you click on pair device. And once your device is paired, you'll see the Corsair Void V2 pop up right here, showing you that everything's connected properly. Now don't forget, starting today, April 27th, Corsair is having a week-long sale. So make sure you guys go ahead and take advantage of it by using the link down in the description. And if you enjoy the content, make sure you guys go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments what gear you're planning to pick up. And of course guys, until next time, peace.